Hi, I'm BBQ Bob with the BBQ Guru, and today we're cooking on the monoliths with Luke Darnell from Old Virginia Smoke. He's up from Bristow, Virginia, and we're gonna be doing some seafood dishes on the monolith grills. I am so excited about this. I'm a big seafood fan. Welcome, Luke.
Let's get it done.
Good to see you, buddy.
Good to see you too.
So one of the dishes I want to do today, Luke, is like my version of a Clams Casino.
Oh.
So I got some cherrystone clams,
Nice.
Local from the Jersey Shore.
I mean, Jersey seafood's almost as good as Virginia seafood.
It's actually better.
Is it really?
We're just gonna start by browning some panko on a skillet.
What temperature are you going to grill these at?
We're gonna do about 300 degrees direct on the monolith. I have a raised grate, so it keeps it off the fire a little bit.
That's the best thing about these cookers is the versatility that you can get with them. I mean,
Right, it's not all about barbecue. You can grill on it, you can, do whatever you need to do. You can make desserts, you can make side dishes, fish dishes.
we're going to get into that later.
Yep,
Paella.
I can't wait for that.
It's going to be great.
So we have our panko browned. Now we're gonna get all our other ingredients, get them sauteed up, and get our filling complete.
I'm going to get another beer.
Let's do it.
All right.
So I got some beautiful cherry stones here.
Yeah, wow.
A couple dozen of them. I like a bigger clam because it's a bigger shell, right? So you can stuff them, it's more of a meal. So let's get them steaming. We'll put them in the pot and they'll take 10 or 12 minutes to steam.
All right.
And we'll get them chopped up.
The only problem with this right now is how long it's taken. Hungry.
All right, lid those up. Just steaming those clams out there today just reminded me of being a kid. And they had the beer tents where they're steaming clams all day long. And there's nothing like it. So to be able to cook those foods and incorporate that into a dish you're making on the monolith, it was awesome.
Oh,
Wow, look at these.
that.
These are gorgeous. Look how
Oh
gorgeous
my
that is.
gosh. You little,
see
yeah.
that?
You think we should do a little quality control here?
Yeah, let's do quality control.
All right, let's try to check it out.
Jesus.
Wow.
All right.
Cheers.
Cheers. Delicious.
He's always running to get stuff. Now I know why he invited me, so I could do all the work.
Okay,
Ready to make filling?
we steamed our clams.
Yep. Chopped them.
Yep, we have our panko browned in butter.
Yummy.
And now we're ready to just bring it all together and make the filling. So we're gonna start with half a stick of butter. I'm using Irish butter, softened it.
It's
delicious. And then we're gonna get our shallots in here once this starts to melt.
okay.
I have jalapeno, I have poblano, I have a little bit of red pepper flake.
Why is that in water?
So my wife taught me something. If you soak it in water, it softens, and then you don't get that like hard crunch from the red pepper flake.
Yeah.
So it was a great idea, and I
Don't burn anybody up.
adopted it.
Yeah.
And then we have our chopped clams, fresh Italian parsley, and our white wine. So we're gonna get all this together, and then we can stuff our clams.
Perfect. I just enjoy taking the time to appreciate the ingredients and really concentrate what's going into a dish and making sure that those flavors are reflected when it comes out. That's showing true respect for the food, true respect for the process, and true respect for the person that's eating it.
It's gonna be a beautiful dish too because you have such bright colors,
Right, yeah.
And for some reason, for me, the dish has to look
Gotta look good.
nice.
It's just one of those things you're using all of your senses when you're cooking. I mean,
Right.
You're watching this at the same time you're smelling it.
Right.
And there's certain cues to all of that, you know.
Exactly.
People eat with their eyes first.
Right.
Right now,
Right now.
I'm starving.
I know. So I knew having Luke out here was gonna be just a fun time. What a great cook, great person. He's had many, many grand championships. I will say he's a little clumsy. I mean, he dropped his control in a grease bucket. Who does that? Luke does that.
So I walked over to Bob's camp and I was like, I got a problem. This control doesn't work. He's like, well, it should work. And I'm like, well, I dropped it in a bucket of grease. And
But I had an extra one. I gave it to him and he won the damn competition. He kicked my ass.
wouldn't happen without Bob or BBQ Guru.
So now these are all stuffed.
Yep.
And it's as simple as putting these on the grate and let them cook direct. About 20 minutes.
All right. Let's get them on there.
And we'll peek at them, once they start to brown and the butter starts to sizzle, and you'll know when they're right.
They all look great.
Look at these stuffed
I know.
clams. I mean,
You know, this guy right here.
all right, I'm gonna take this one. Look at that.
I mean, that panko soaks up all that stuff. It almost comes off as like a bacon almost.
Right.
It's so good.
Doesn't it? The
All
pepper is
day,
just a little bit of heat, just a touch, right?
all day, every day.
And the clam, oh my God, this is so good.
Simple.
And you throw it on the grill,
Right.
and you're eating good food. Clams Casino, on the grill, easy to do. Next up is paella from Darnell. I know this is gonna be exceptional. It was a great day, absolutely.